25 Simple Ways to Balance Your Mind, Body, and Soul. There are many things you can do in your daily life to achieve overall wellness. Here are 25 simple ways to begin cultivating a mind-body-soul balance. 1. Read and learn often. Your education shouldn't stop once you're out of school. Open your mind to new possibilities, beliefs, and interests by reading, taking online classes, watching documentaries, and attending workshops. 2. Meditate regularly. Meditation improves memory, attention, mood, immune system function, sleep, and creativity. All it takes is a few minutes a day to start reaping the benefits. 3. Practice yoga. Yoga is amazing for your overall health. It helps you build strength, coordination, and flexibility while calming your mind. It also encompasses the mind-body-soul connection. 4. Avoid sitting for extended periods of time. Try to stand or move around while you work, if possible. Too much sitting is linked to heart disease, diabetes, and a shortened lifespan. 5. Get at least 15 minutes of moderate to fast-paced exercise each day. Live close to work? Walk or ride your bike on nice days. Exercise is important for heart health, physical stamina, and mood. 6. Spend time outside. Now is the perfect time of year for hiking, boating, picnics, outdoor sports, foraging for wild foods, camping, and much more. 7. Add more plant-based foods to your diet. Eating lots of vegetables and fruit can help prevent chronic disease. Shop your local farmers market for fresh, in-season produce. 8. Get involved in a volunteer organization or activism group. Use your voice or your talents to do some good in the world. We're all connected, and it's incredible to experience that connectedness when we work toward a common goal. 9. Fuel your passions. Set aside some time each day to do what makes your soul happy. Many of us work so much that we forget how great it feels to paint, dance, make music, write, garden, or swim. 10. Listen to music often. And sing along or dance. 11. Be grateful. Take some time each day to write or think about the things you're grateful for, like family, friends, pets, food, shelter, health, or the beauty of nature. 12. Be kind to everyone. This includes yourself. 13. Get enough sleep each night. And remember that you're never too old for naps. 14. Detoxify your beauty routine. Switch to natural products. 15. Get harsh chemical cleaners out of your house. Shop green cleaners, or make your own. 16. Find a career path that is meaningful to you. Chase your dreams, not riches. 17. Let go of the little things. If something won't matter tomorrow, don't let it ruin today. 18. Slow down. A little rest and relaxation when you're used to spending lots of time on the go can replenish your mind and body. 19. Stop people-pleasing. There's a difference between being kind and being a doormat. If you spend too much time worrying about what others will think, you'll lose yourself and end up feeling miserable. 20. Cut major sources of stress out of your life. This includes unnecessary spending, clutter, a job you hate, or unhealthy relationships. 21. Avoid gossip and drama. Judging your neighbors and coworkers doesn't make you superior, it just makes you hard to trust. 22. Laugh often. If you take life too seriously, you're going to miss out on a whole lot of good times. 23. Travel and learn about other cultures. Do this as much as you can. 24. Forgive yourself for your past mistakes. Learn from the past, but don't let it destroy you. 25. Opt for natural remedies whenever you can. With the guidance of a holistic health practitioner, herbs, the right foods, and essential oils can be very healing and have fewer dangerous side effects than most pharmaceuticals.